Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel. I am Ashwini Garg. Today I discuss with you the topic of class 12, subject is business studies and our topic is profession as well as testing of management as a profession. Firstly I tell about the profession. What is profession? It refers to that economic activity which is conducted by a person having some special knowledge and skill which is used impartially to serve the various section of society. Means profession है क्या? It refers to that economic activity. Economic activity, you already know about that. Economic activity are those activity with the main objective is to earn money, which is conducted by a person जिसको conduct किया जाता है with the help of person having some special knowledge and skill, who have some special knowledge and skill about the particular field, which is used impartially. After that, it is used for a particular section of society, no, but it is used for the every section of society to serve the various section of society. For example, chartered accountant, doctor, lawyer, and many more. These are the profession. Today our topic is profession as well as testing of management as a profession. So now I start about the testing of management as a profession. For testing of management as a profession, it is necessary to discuss the feature of the profession. The various type features of the profession is that features of profession. There are 5 features: well defined body of knowledge, restricted entry, professional association, ethical code of conduct, and the last one is service motive. These are the 5 features. On the basis of the 5 features we are testing about the management can be accepted as a profession or not. Now I discuss all the features one by one. After, on the basis of the explanation, we can conclude that management is profession or not. The first one is well defined body of knowledge. Well defined body of knowledge, on the basis of that feature we test the management can be accepted as a profession or not. The first feature of profession is that well defined body of knowledge means that profession is a well defined body of knowledge, means everything and every work will be completed in a systematic way, and a particular person either in a particular field have complete knowledge about his field. After that he can apply, he can practice about that particular field. So profession is a well defined body of knowledge means that the complete knowledge about a particular field kept by the professional. In the same way, Management is also a well-defined body of knowledge, means that in management, a particular person who perform the work is known as the manager. A manager can perform his duty after getting the knowledge of his field. So, in the same way, profession is a well-defined body of knowledge as well as the management is also a well-defined body of knowledge. There is a similarity between the profession and the management. So, on the basis of first feature, we can accept the management as a profession because both are the well-defined body of knowledge. I hope it's clear to you. Now, the second feature is restricted entry. As the head point indicates, there is a restriction on the entry. In profession, only that person can enter in the professional association who wants to become a profession. Means, in profession, it is necessary for a particular person who wants to become a particular professional. There is necessary to regulate entry in a particular region. Means that a particular person, like as the doctor, he can become doctor after getting the degree of the MBBS. No other person can enter as a doctor because he did not have any type of the degree of the MBBS. So restricted entry means that प्रोफेशन की सेकंड फीचर है कि इसमें रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एंट्री होगी. कोई भी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन है उसे प्रोफेशन का काम करना है, प्रोफेशनल वर्क करना है, तो उसे रेगुलेट एंट्री करनी पड़ेगी. और कोई भी पर्सन जिसके पास उसकी एजुकेशन डिग्री नहीं है तो वो उसका प्रोफेशनल वर्क नहीं कर सकता. तो डॉक्टर के लिए एमबीबीएस है, ऐसे और भी फील्ड्स हैं जिनके लिए उन्हें एजुकेशन डिग्री लेनी होगी. बट फॉर द मैनेजमेंट, फॉर अ मैनेजर, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू गेट एनी टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन डिग्री. कोई भी एजुकेशन डिग्री लेने की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. कोई भी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन है 10th पास 12th पास बट हैव द कंप्लीट नॉलेज अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट, ही कैन बिकम अ मैनेजर. So in profession there is a restriction about the education degree. A particular person who have the education degree can become a profession. But in management there is no any type of the education degree required to become a manager. So there is no similarity between the management and the profession on the basis of that feature. So we cannot accept as a management as a profession. I hope it's clear to you. Now the third one is professional association. Professional association means in a particular profession it is necessary to get a professional degree to become a member of a particular professional association. As well as for the management it is a particular association with the help of which we can become a member of the management. In profession there is a particular associations like as the for doctor, for lawyer, for chartered accountant. डॉक्टर के लिए मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया, लॉयर के लिए बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया और सीए के लिए आईसीआई, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया. प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन में जो आपका डॉक्टर है उस डॉक्टर के लिए जो भी आपकी फंक्शंस होंगे प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन की वो मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया प्रोवाइड करेगी. लॉयर के लिए बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया और सीए के लिए आईसीआई, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया। बट मैनेजमेंट के लिए भी आपका एक प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन है जिसको ऑल इंडिया मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन बोलते हैं, ऑल इंडिया मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन। But for a manager, it is not necessary to get any type of the education degree and to become a member of the All India Management Association. So, for doctor, it is necessary to get education degree and member of the Medical Council. Lawyer के लिए Bar Council of India, Chartered Accountant, ICAI. But in management, for manager, it is not necessary to get regular entry to become a member and get admission in a All India Management Association, because there is no any type of the requirement to have any type of the education degree. So on the basis of the both explanation, profession and management, there is no similarity. क्योंकि प्रोफेशन के लिए तो हमें क्या होगा, इनका मेंबर होना पड़ेगा, तभी हमें एजुकेशन डिग्री मिलेगी, और मैनेजमेंट के लिए, मैनेजर के लिए ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है। तो दोनों में सिमिलरिटी नहीं है, सिमिलरिटी नहीं है तो मैनेजमेंट कैन नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड एज अ प्रोफेशन। साथ ही साथ जो भी आपकी ये प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन है, ये वेरियस टाइप की फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करते हैं कि एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन को आपके प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन में अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए, एजुकेशन डिग्री लेने के लिए रेगुलर एंट्री करनी पड़ेगी, ग्रांट्स, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, ये सर्टिफिकेट उन्हें रिसीव करना पड़ेगा, और कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, जो भी कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट है पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन के वो उन्हें कंप्लीट करने होंगे। तो इसका मतलब प्रोफेशनल के लिए आइदर डॉक्टर, लॉयर और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, there it is necessary for them to complete that type of the function. But for manager it is no any type of the requirement, no any type of the function to fulfill. So there is no similarity between the professional management on the basis of that feature. So we cannot accept management as a profession. I hope it's clear. Now the fourth feature is ethical code of conduct. Code of conduct means rules, regulation. In profession, there are various type of the professional association. For doctor, medical council; for lawyer, bar council; for CA, ICAI. So there are rules and regulation, and every profession it is necessary to fulfill all types of the rules and regulation. If any member did not fulfill and will not fulfill any type of the rules regulation in future, then their membership can be cancelled. So it is necessary for a profession to fulfill every type of the code of conduct, rules and regulation to continue their practice. But in management, for manager, there is no any type of the requirement to become a member, to get the education degree. So there is no requirement to fulfill the any type of the rules and regulation which is created by the All India Management Association. प्रोफेशन के लिए तो जरूरी है, जो भी रूल्स रेगुलेशन क्रिएट की गए वो हमें फुलफिल करने हैं, बट मैनेजर के लिए कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। ऑल इंडिया मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन ने जो रूल्स रेगुलेशन बनाए हैं वो उन्हें फुलफिल करने ही पड़ेंगे। इसका मतलब दोनों में सिमिलरिटी नहीं है। प्रोफेशन को तो एथिकल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट फुलफिल करना ही पड़ेगा, बट मैनेजमेंट के अंदर ऐसी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट फीचर वी कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट मैनेजमेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन। I hope it's clear to you. Now the last feature of the profession is that service motive. Service motive, you already know about the service motive, to provide service to the various party, to various person in business organization, either available at outside the business organization. For profession, you know that it is the economic activity. So a particular profession provide any type of the service to get any type of the fees and commission, but in profession it is necessary to fulfill their service motive and moral duty and social responsibility toward the various person. For example, if a doctor treat a patient, so for a doctor it is necessary to treat the patient effectively, means it is his chief motive. But doctor fulfill their service motive as well as it is an economic activity. He provides service and getting their fees. But on the priority basis, firstly he treat the patient. So it is the service motive for the profession. As well as in a business organization, there is a management for every type of the business organization established for the profit earning. But in the present scenario, in present time, there is no any type of the business organization can survive for the long time who earn only profit. Who is the objective of the main aim of the business is only to earn profit. But today it is necessary to earn profit to fulfill their social responsibility toward the various parties as well as the society, either profession or management. प्रोफेशन में भी सर्विस मोटिव कंप्लीट करना है और हमें मैनेजमेंट में भी सर्विस मोटिव कंप्लीट करना है. मैनेजमेंट में एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से प्रॉफिट तो अर्न करना ही है. प्रॉफिट अर्न करने के साथ साथ वो भी अपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा करेगा. और यहाँ पर प्रोफेशन भी क्या करता है, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है, मनी तो उसे अर्न करनी है, लेकिन वो प्रायोरिटी किसको देगा, अपने चीफ मोटिव को सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. तो दोनों के अंदर सिमिलैरिटी है, चाहे वो प्रोफेशन हो या मैनेजमेंट हो, दोनों के अंदर सर्विस मोटिव अवेलेबल है. तो इन दोनों के बीच में सिमिलैरिटी होने की वजह से ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट फीचर वी कैन एक्सेप्ट मैनेजमेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. इन ब्रीफ और इन कंक्लूजन वी कैन सी दैट मैनेजमेंट इज प्रोफेशन और नॉट. नाउ आई टोल्ड अबाउट दैट. Conclusion. Some features of profession can be accepted as a management and some features of profession cannot be accepted as a profession, as a management. मीन्स कुछ फीचर्स हैं प्रोफेशन की जो फुलफिल करती हैं आपकी कि उसको मैनेजमेंट बोला जा सकता है, लेकिन कुछ फीचर ऐसी हैं प्रोफेशन की जो मैनेजमेंट के अंदर फुलफिल नहीं हो रही. जैसे फर्स्ट वन थी वेल डिफाइंड बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज. सेकंड वन थी हमारी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एंट्री. थर्ड वन थी हमारी प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन. और फोर्थ वन थी हमारी एथिकल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. एंड फिफ्थ वन थी हमारी सर्विस मोटिव. तो फर्स्ट एंड फिफ्थ फीचर के बेस पर हम मैनेजमेंट को प्रोफेशन कह सकते हैं, लेकिन सेकंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ फीचर के बेस पर हम मैनेजमेंट को प्रोफेशन नहीं कह सकते. So in conclusion point of view, some features can be accepted as a management, but some feature cannot be accepted as a management as a profession. So we can say that in India, the management can be accepted as a profession or profession as a management. India is at its infancy stage, initial stage पर है. Completely हम management को profession नहीं कह सकते. इंडिया के अंदर आपकी मैनेजमेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन उसकी डेवलपिंग स्टेज पर है. अभी धीरे धीरे आपकी मैनेजमेंट जो है वो कंप्लीट होगी. आफ्टर दैट वी कैन से दैट द मैनेजमेंट इज प्रोफेशन और नॉट. बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीज फीचर्स मैनेजमेंट कैन नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड एज अ प्रोफेशन बिकॉज इन इंडिया मैनेजमेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन एट इट्स इन्फेंसी स्टेज. टुडे आई डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द प्रोफेशन एंड द टेस्टिंग ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एज अ profession. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.